naman tayo for the day. So guys, happy Friday na! Tapos na yung school ko this week! Yes, Saturday na bukas guys! So update, nag-elimination round na kami today. And I'm not sure kung ako yung kasali. Sana naman guys. Pray for me guys. Hope for me. Sana naman. Kasi, gusto ko sa English, isa yung mali ko ata guys. Kasi, the word visage ata yun. Na-misspell ko guys. Hindi ako nakalimutan ko guys. Sorry na. Okay naman yun guys. So, I hope talaga na papasa naman ako guys. Kasi, meron dyan na naka-perfect. I think. Sana naman, even barely, okay na yun guys. At as long as kasali ako sa, mag-compete na Final 5. Sana naman. Tapos sa math guys, isang sheet of paper lang yan guys ha. Pero ang hirap. Alam niyo, may decimal yun, pero hindi pa namin natutunan yun guys. Grabe, may decimal na tayo. Kasi hindi ko pa alam kung paano i-solve yun. Pero isang question lang yun guys, no? Isang question lang yun. So, okay naman yun. Sana naman rin that I pass. Pero, okay lang kung hindi. Pero, sana naman. I'm a bit confident. So, sana naman. So, ayan. Sa science, I didn't really plan on kasali sa Final 5 guys. Pero, I think I did good. I think I did better than I expected I will. Ang dami kong confident na sagot. Hindi ko naman plano na mag-join sa science na, Final 5. Pero, okay, bonus lang kung naka-join ako. So, sana naman, I get to join one of these. Kung may isa, edi okay. Pero kung wala, okay lang yun guys. Kasi as long as nakasali ako. So, ayan, meron namang next year, di ba? Sana naman merong next year para sa mga grade 7 guys. Kasi mag-graduate na ako guys, di ba? Kasi grade 6 na ako. Oh. Guys, hindi ko pa alam kung when we'll get the results, pero I'm excited and nervous at the same time. So, sana naman maka-join ako sa Final 5 ng isang subject. Okay na kung dalawa, pero imagine 3 of them, guys. Imagine. Wow, sana all. Imagine, guys. Pero, okay lang yon kung isa lang. Okay lang yun kung wala, pero I'm excited to know. I don't know when, pero sana, just in 2 days or next week. So, that is all for today for our kwentuhan. I really wish I'd get into the final 5 of the ESM elimination round. And yeah, that's all for our kwentuhan for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!